Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're excited to introduce MotionDesk Panel version 2, a brand new version with powerful new features and an online tool experience inside After Effects. In this video, I'll show you how MotionDesk Panel works and how you can use its tools to speed up your motion workflow. As you can see, we're now on the MotionDesk website. Here, you can explore all the available tools, check their features, and watch tutorials for each one. And from the download section, you can download and install the main MotionDesk panel. To get started, we open the MotionDesk panel. Then we head to the Market section. A new panel opens where you can explore all available tools, install them, and keep them up to date. At first, you'll have access to all the free tools. Just click Install Item on any tool card, and it installs instantly. Then, back in the main panel, simply click Run It on any tool to launch it fast, simple. You can resize the panel to any size you need, small or large. It's fully adaptive. You can also adjust the size of the tool cards. And by clicking the 3-line icon at the bottom of the category section, you can switch between 3 different layout modes and sizes. Now we open the Market panel again to get a license. Click the Get License button. This opens the pricing page on the website where you can choose and purchase your plan. Once you receive your license code, paste it into this field in the Market panel, then click Activate. Like that's it. All items are now unlocked and ready to install. You can also click the eye icon to skip any items you don't need. Skipped items are moved to the bottom of the panel, and you can access them again anytime. Now, by clicking this icon, we go to the Settings section. From default view, you can change how tool cards are displayed in the main panel. I'll switch between the different views, so you can clearly see the differences in features of each layout. You can also click and drag the cards to rearrange them however you like. On each card, there's a 3-dot icon. By clicking it, you can access info and usage options. From there, you can click More Info or Full Guide to open the Tools page on the website and learn more about it. As you explore the tools on the website, this is just the beginning. MotionDesk Panel keeps growing, with more powerful and exciting tools coming soon. Download the panel, install it for free, and start building your own motion toolkit today. And that's it for this overview. Thanks for watching, and thanks for supporting MotionDesk. Don't forget to download the panel and explore the tools for yourself. More tutorials and new tools are coming soon. See you in the next video.